Hey traders, Akil Stokes here, and welcome back to another episode of the Trading Block. Not a bad day of trading today. Had 2 wins, 2 losses for a little bit of a loss and overall. And I have no one to blame but myself. If you guys saw yesterday's video, I showed you guys an updated look at our equity curve for the year. I told you about the basically 900 pip win streak we were on. And of course, I ended up jinxing myself. But they were all good trades. And we had a great day in the live room. Lots of good discussion. Every day where we get one of those light bulb, those aha moment days is a good one. And today we had a few of them, talking a little bit about Fibonacci myths and how powerful these Fibonacci ratios really are. And also we had a great conversation about kind of the hindsight trader. So the trader that evaluates their trade and essentially the trader that tries to find excuses for why they lose, but then takes all of the credit for why they win and how you can get to some trouble doing that. So a great day overall. What I want to talk about today is a comment that I got on actually one of our social media platforms. I was talking to a trader recently on StockTwits about the gold idea. If you guys saw the massively large FOREX market preview that I put out this Sunday, the hour-long one, actually 53-minute long one. I told you I'd be under an hour. One of the pairs or one of the charts that we looked at was gold, and we were talking about the original analysis, how it was a potential head and shoulders formation that now morphed into an ascending triangle that broke out, and how I'd be looking for the retest. And I was going back and forth with a trader on StockTwits. She was saying, hey, Akil, I'm thinking short. And I said, well, I'm still thinking long. And then this morning she's like, well, you know what? Based off the recent move, I think I'm thinking bullish as well. And I love conversations like that, and I haven't said it in a while, but you may hear me call a trader a troll today. And I want you guys to understand that when we're talking about these trading trolls, it's a difference between someone that has a difference in opinion. I don't mind if you have a difference in opinion. That is the market. We all should have differences in opinion, and that makes for great conversation. We don't always have to agree, but we can always say, hey, this is why I think we're bullish. Hey, this is why I think we're bearish, or this is what I see. This is what I don't see. I love having conversations like that, and that's natural. When we talk about trading trolls, those are the people that come on and just, comment that either stuff that's a personal attack or just lies about you, or stuff that has no real purpose. And that's kind of what I got today. After the update, after I looked at gold again this morning after talking with the trader on StockTwits, and I decided to upload a picture, kind of a follow-up of a trade that I uploaded the other day on TradingView. By the way, shameless plug alert, if you want to follow me on TradingView, I am over there. Just enter, looks like Akil_Stokes, and you can find me. And yeah, give me a follow. But I posted this picture, and I got a comment from this guy, Tom Power, right? Tom Power. He said, dude, I didn't come here for double bottoms and double tops. I can get that from the chart. Look left. Where's all the advanced technical analysis? And I wasn't really sure what the trader was talking about. I said, I'm sorry. I have no idea what advanced technical analysis is. I think you may have commented on the wrong trader's chart. I know he didn't, because I think I remember this guy trolling me before. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty, the name Tom Power stands out to me. But the point is it brought up a very good idea in that how many traders are looking for the shiny and the bright and overlooking the effective. And I haven't taken a look on here, but I bet if we go to TradingView, I bet if we look around, and I don't mean to embarrass anyone if I show you a chart, but I bet if you look at some of these charts, you're going to see charts with a million billion different lines. That's just a funny one right there, but maybe not right now. But you'll see charts with a million billion different lines and 15 different indicators and all sorts of funky stuff on there. And a lot of traders believe that you need that type of analysis to be successful. Now, I'm sure the traders that use it, they use it in a very definitive way where each indicator has a purpose. Each Bollinger Band, each whatever trend line has a purpose on their chart. I would hope so, at least. But there are many traders that are new that, and comment below. I know I was this trader that I thought I had to have a million things on my chart in order to be successful. And I thought that way because I would go from YouTube video to YouTube video, and every time I saw a trader mention something, okay, Bollinger Band, Deutschian Channel, RSI, CCI, MACD, stochastics, every time I would see a trader mention something like that, what would I do? Well, I'd go over to my chart, I'd click it, I'd add it, and before you know it, I had 15 different things on my indicator, seriously, or on my chart. And if you were like this, don't leave me hanging out here alone, guys. Give me a comment below here. Make sure I'm not alone. I'm going to feel really embarrassed if it was just me. I don't think it is, though. But the fact of the matter is, I don't think you need all of that. Of course, you can use it. There's always a way to use something to be more efficient with your trading. But at the end of the day, if you master just the ability to read a price chart, if you master kind of the historical chart patterns, the very basic, simple patterns, I think you can have a very successful trading career. Of course, you know, putting psychology aside and massively working on that. Because the market only does a few things. I mean, the market really, it consolidates, which leads to channels. It leads to breakout patterns, your wedge, your flags, your triangles, all of that stuff. Or it trends, which leads to your extensions and your pullbacks. And when it does trend, you get simple stuff like V bottoms, double bottoms, and very simple pattern formations. And I think as a trader, if you can master that, right, you can go on to have a very good career, and you don't need to have all of the extra fancy stuff. I got a comment after this week's Forex market preview from a client of mine. This is a trader going through our transformation course. That's our flagship training course here at Trade and Power, taught by myself, Jason Stapleton, Charles Miles, and Jason Greystone. The whole gang is there. It's pretty in depth. And the trader was saying, hey, Akil, one thing I was really happy about is that I did all of my analysis, all my pre-market analysis before the week, and then I watched your video, and I was excited to see that most of what you saw, I already had on my radar. And it just shows how far I've come as a trader since I've enrolled in your course. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. That's awesome. This guy is starting to see it. It takes a while, but usually once you get there, it clicks, and it's a beautiful thing. And he said more so, what inspired me even more was that there was a lot of stuff that you saw and you identified that I didn't even think of. And it just shows me how much more I have to learn. And that really encouraged me to get back to the charts and get back to the training and really go after it. And I responded to the trader, that's awesome. And I said, realize this, I've been trading for 10 years now. It has taken me a while to advance to this level. And I'm not saying I'm a great expert trader. No. I think I'm a good trader. I'm a quality trader. But I've gotten massively better. I used to stink. I used to be a consistent blower of accounts. That was my nickname, consistent account blower. And I've turned myself into a consistently profitable trader. But over the years, I've really developed my trading style from something that used to be a single strategy to really multiple strategies. And although I do a lot of things on the price chart, if you go back and look, they're all based off of either these historical these classical chart patterns or just pure price movement. And it's just really understanding how the market moves and being able to put two and two together. So the trolling trader, Tom Power, thank you for that comment. I think it inspired a great trading blog here. As always, let me know what you guys think by leaving a comment below. I do take some of your questions as well and turn those into trading blog topics. So don't feel shy about leaving them. And also, if you're new and you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and go back and watch at least 5 episodes. We hit various topics going from trading psychology to technical analysis to whatever. So take a few episodes in before passing judgment. And if you like it, subscribe. And that way you're updated each time I put out a video. I will see you guys tomorrow in the live room and or in the syndicate. And until then, plan your trade, trade your plan. Take care. All right, traders, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our tradeandpower.com website, or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.